An organic compound is a compound that consists of a carbon and a hydrogen. The dehydration reaction is when you take out a H2O molecule to link two macromolecules together. What is a carbohydrate? A carbohydrate is a macromolecule consisting of single monomer sugars, monosaccharides, double monomer sugars, disaccharides, and polymers, polysaccharides, which can have as much as 1,000 monomers. What is starch, chitin, and cellulose? Starch is a storage polysaccharide. Cellulose is the most abundant organic compound on Earth, and chitin is a structural polysaccharide used in insects. What are fats and lipids? Lipids are a diverse set of molecules that are classified together because of one similar trait. These are basically fats. Fats are hydrophobic because they don't like water. They try to repel it. A triglyceride is composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. What are saturated and unsaturated fats? When a fatty acid contains one or more double bonds, it is an unsaturated fat. When a fatty acid has no double bonds in its hydrocarbon chain and has a maximum number of hydrogen atoms attached to each carbon atom, and its carbon atoms are saturated with hydrogen, it is called a saturated fatty acid. What is a phospholipid? A phospholipid is a lipid with two sides. One side is hydrophobic and the other side is hydrophilic, meaning one side attracts water and the other side hates water. Phospholipids are the things that make up our cell walls. They create phospholipid bilayers, which layer on top of each other and create a cell wall, which allows things to enter and exit the cell being filtered at the same time.
What are the subunits of proteins? Proteins are composed of amino acids connected by peptide bonds.
The general structure of an amino acid is a functional R group attached to an amino group and a carboxyl group.
There are 20 types of amino acids.
There are two types of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. Nucleotides contain a negatively charged phosphate group, a sugar group, and a nitrogenous base. What are the four DNA and RNA nucleotides? The four DNA nucleotides are adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. The four RNA nucleotides are adenine, thymine, cytosine, and uracil. DNA nucleotides are complementary base pairs.